Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new guarantee of the deal network where you can get 20 plus countries with 50 plus active hubs, and also they are going with a daily transaction which are more than $25 million. So I will share all the details here. In your time, I will start review about GOTD, a guarantee of the deal, the first licensed DLT protocol for P2P netting. So they are powered by the real network across 20 plus countries with 50 plus active hubs and also 25 million plus dollar daily transaction. They have also legal given here details, rapid settlements, there is no risk in it. They have also the global reach. I will share with you about the access to their closed testing which is given here. I will share that with you in the video, but furthermore I want to share with you the other details about it. So you can see they have instant counterparty search with matching flows, so you don't get any disturbance in it and worried about that. They have maximum protection of deals through them through their escrow. So you can see the maximum protection is the biggest like point which we need in that time of era. So they are giving that, so we don't have any risk in it. So they have also reduced fees on conversion, so you can do conversion with the minimum fees. They have simplified the KYC so that unnecessary bureaucracy cannot be here, so you can do your KYC easily from here. So who the platform is for. So first in close testing and become a part of GOTD network. There are four like hubs, and also for the regional representatives, like they can use that hub. They in that they invite like in exchanges, they find tech companies and also participate in close testing. They have also given here the specify which currency you work with and also tell about your current flows, that how it is going on. So and the next thing, it is for the regional representatives, like if you have administrative resources in a country, can think broadly about the market and organize hub operation in the region, they want to meet you. So you can go them and you will get the regional representative from them. You will get the experience in financial operation and also understanding of the import and export. Are you ready to get the expertise which they are providing? So they are ready to share their expertise with you. If you are going in it, they will share expertise for your working platform, for your legal support, for your experience from dozens of the countries where the network already operates. They have the access to the global network of financial operations, so you can get on it too. So here is the road of 2025 to the 2027, the key product launch stages and also the network scaling. You can see in quarter 4 of 2025 they will go for the MVP launch on DevNet. They have the first version of protocol and interface for testing. I will share that with you. In the quarter 4 2025 to the quarter 1st of 2026, they will go for their private round, like they will attracting strategies, investors and partners, AI matching integrations into the product core in quarter 2 to 2020, quarter 3 of 2026. They will go for the mainnet launch and also for the DEX listing in quarter 3 2026 to 2027. They will go for 1000 plus hubs and also for the 100 million plus daily CXC listing. And also you can see until start of closed testnet they are 10 days left. So you can see they have 10 days left, 17 or so, as I was saying that I will share with that. You can see you can even go for it, so you can get access to the closed testnet from that link too. I will share that with you. Here is there about is given, you can read about license P2P netting network, so you will get that. The token is GOTD. A token is utility token created to ensure the transparency and trust in transactions on the GOTD global platform. So they have escrow guarantee token is locked during the transaction, and they have the liquidity confirmation, and you can see unified network tools and fraud protection in case of dispute. Frozen tokens are used for the compensation. You can see furthermore they have the hub stake tokens confirming the availability of the real reserve, liquidity confirmation, and you can see furthermore token is given. You can see the key token function here. You can read all that from here. And furthermore, if I go for AI matching instant counterparty search, so you can see in that they have given all the details. First of all, you have to do registration and KYC. Second, you have to do liquidity confirmation. You have to third on the counterparty matching. You can go for transaction escrow, settlement, and fraud protection. You will get that. Furthermore, for investor, there is also given, you can read the FAQs from here too. And these two options are given. Now I will share with you that how you can get access to it. Invest in future of global settlement. They have working platforms, so become a strategic partner or global presentation. You can read all their details from here. So now I will just go back to the home and share with you that how you can get access to it. As I am here upon the application form, so you have to give the exchange point or company name. You have to select a country. That's all are given here. So you have to Emirates. So you have to give the locality here. So you can go for the place where you are. So I will go for the Abu Dhabi. You have to give a main website or the Telegram channel if you have any here. So you can give that. You can give the contact person name, Telegram for communication. You can give your email, login for your personal account. So I will just give the email here. Add the email here, so I will add that. We have to give the average daily turnover across all directions. So I have added that, and I will go for the next option here, and you can see it here. All the other details will be given. So it is scrolling. Enter the confirmation code sent on your email. Also now I will just add a protocol for P2P netting. So they are powered by the Real network across 20 plus countries with 50 plus active hubs and also 25 million plus dollar daily transaction. They have also legal